You think the phone in your pocket is completely yours, right? You paid for it with your own hard-earned money, opened the box yourself. So let me ask you a quick question. Why are there apps on it that you can absolutely never delete? They aren't even hiding. They're right there on your screen. You tap and hold the icon to get rid of it, but that uninstall button is either missing or grayed out. It's like the phone is telling you you don't have permission. Annoying, right? Most of us just shrug and live with it. But if you knew the multi-billion-dollar deals happening behind your back, you'd be pretty furious. Now, while you take a second to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, let's dive into how your phone screen became prime real estate. This whole thing started in the early 2000s when smartphones began taking over the world. Phone manufacturers and cellular carriers realized something huge. Your home screen is one of the most valuable billboards on the planet. Think about it. A major phone brand sells millions of devices every single year. If an app comes pre-installed on those devices, millions of people will see it the exact second they turn on their phone for the first time. So, tech giants started making deals behind closed doors. Software companies paid millions to manufacturers, and manufacturers made deals with carriers. Long before that phone ever reached your hands, someone had already rented out a piece of your screen. Those undeletable games or random utility apps didn't end up there by accident. Someone paid a fortune for that privilege. But how do they technically lock you out of your own device? Well, your phone's storage isn't just one big open room. A specific part of it is locked away exclusively for the operating system. Think of it as a restricted vault that regular users aren't supposed to touch. And here is the clever trick. They don't install these paid apps as regular software. Instead, they bake them directly into that locked vault, forcing your phone to treat them as essential system software. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You can't remove this. It's part of the system. That's exactly what your phone thinks. On some devices, the best you can do is hit disable, but that's just a bandage. The app is still taking up space, and parts of it can still run quietly in the background. Now, why would these companies spend millions just to sit on your phone? This is where things get a little uncomfortable. Many of these pre-installed apps have been caught red-handed collecting data on how you use your device. They aren't doing anything cinematic like spying through your camera, so you can relax, but they are quietly tracking your habits. Which apps do you open? How long do you stay on them? What's your device ID? They bundle up all this analytics data and ship it right back to headquarters, and most users have absolutely no idea it's even happening. So, the next time you see an app that stubbornly refuses to be deleted, remember, it's not there because your phone actually needs it. It's there because a massive corporation paid to put it there before you even knew the phone existed. By the way, if this video opened your eyes even a little bit, dropping a comment and sharing it with a friend really helps us grow. Your support means the world to me. Which undeletable app on your phone annoys you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.